Hello, calculus fans. All right, let's try to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve y equals cosecant of x at the point where x is equal to pi over 4. Now we can do this problem without knowing what the graph of the cosecant looks like. You could try drawing it on your calculator. Remember that cosecant is 1 over sine. Don't use the sine to the -1 button on your calculator. That's arc sine, which is not the same thing as 1 over sine. So we've found equations of tangent lines a lot. What we need is a point and a slope, because we're going to use a point-slope form of the line. All right, so let's find the point first. So basically, we're going to plug pi over 4 into the cosecant function. So remember that cosecant is 1 over sine. Sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. And if you simplify that, then you end up with square root of 2. So that's our y value. So we have our x value, that's pi over 4. We have our y value, that's square root of 2. So the only other thing we need now is the slope. The way we're going to find the slope is to rewrite y equals cosecant of x as 1 over sine x, and we're going to use the quotient rule to find y prime. Okay, so we're using the quotient rule to compute the derivative of 1 over sine x. So low d high minus high d low, square to the bottom, and away we go. So here's the d high. That's because the derivative of 1 is 0. Here we have high d low. Remember that the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So that sine of x times 0 just disappears, and so we end up with negative cosine x in the top. And the bottom is sine squared x. Now there's some ways to rewrite this, but I don't want to worry about that right now. I just want to go ahead and plug in pi over 4 into this expression. So if we plug in pi over 4 into this, we get negative cosine of pi over 4 over sine squared of pi over 4. Both the cosine and the sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. So we end up with this expression here. If you take the time to simplify this, you're going to end up with negative square root of 2. Okay, so we've actually got all the ingredients we need. We have our x value, we have our y value, and we have our slope. We're going to put all those together into the point-slope form of the line. So this is it. If we plug everything in, y minus square root of 2 equals negative root 2 times the quantity x minus pi over 4. No need to simplify anything, so that's our answer. And that's all for now.